guys, and welcome back to my lesson number 8 of this particular module. In my previous modules, I have explained you everything about how you can, what are the themes, what are the plugins, about this dashboard, etc, etc. And now in this video, I'll be explaining you about menu, how you can create your customized menu for your website. Okay, so moving forward, this is our theme session, and in this you get your fourth option as menus. Okay, so now let's create a menu for our website. So this is the default which I have already created in my video number 3 or 4. Already created a home page menu, but I want more pages in my menu session. So how I'll go? Okay, I'll create pages. In my pages, I'll create multiple pages whichever I want for my website. Okay, so I'll give them the title. Suppose I want a page name as services. It will show the services which I provide on my website. Okay, so this page is regarding services. Okay, I can also add few pages. So I'll add few pages like contact us. Okay, so here's our contact us page. Let's publish the page, and I can also provide pages like if I want to create page where people can come and visit my profile, okay, about me. So it's a page name as about us or about me. Okay, so this is my personal website, so I'll write about me. If it's your company website, so go forward and write us about us. Okay, so here are the few pages, okay, I have created. And let's create one more page named as home page. Okay, so I have created a home page too. Now moving forward and adding the pages to our menu session. So appearance, and here's our menu. Now I'll add this pages. Okay, let's remove this because it's no more any needed. Home, about us, contact us, services, add to menu. Okay, now these are the pages added to my website. Now I can also move and arrange this according to my need. So I'll move this upward or this downward. I can also create something like this. This is the sub menu. Okay, creating something like this. This is the sub menus. Okay, so I don't want any sub menu for now. Okay, now this is my basic primary menu. Okay, so now let's save our menu. Now whenever you visit your website, okay, now let's go to our website and set our menu. Okay, so you can see this over here, services, contact us, home page, services, etc. Okay, so this is how you create your customized menu. You can create multiple pages using WordPress dashboard within few seconds. So if now how to create menu, if your doubt regarding this session is clear, do let me know. Type yes in the comment section. Also, if you have any doubt regarding creating menu or any sub menu, do let me know in the comment section too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you proceed with forward lessons, forward modules. There are many more for you. Okay, so please do watch all the videos and all the modules to educate yourself in a very professional manner and to a mastery in website development. Okay, thank you for watching.